Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Health and Beauty. Today, we have a fascinating topic to explore: the incredible benefits of drinking rosemary tea daily. Rosemary, a fragrant herb commonly used in cooking, has been hailed for its impressive healing properties. So, grab your favorite mug, settle in, and let's dive into the 10 reasons why you should make rosemary tea a part of your daily routine. But before we get started, I want to thank each and every one of you for the incredible support you've been showing the channel. Your likes, comments, and shares mean the world to me, and they really help the channel grow. Alright, let's jump right into today's topic. Before we delve into the health benefits, let's get to know rosemary a bit better. Rosemary, scientifically known as Rosmarinus officinalis, is a perennial herb native to the Mediterranean region. Its aromatic leaves have been used for centuries, not just in culinary delights, but also in traditional medicine. In the realm of herbal remedies, few plants boast the versatility and healing potential of rosemary. Beyond its aromatic presence in the kitchen, rosemary offers a myriad of health benefits, especially when consumed as a soothing cup of tea. In this video, we'll explore 10 compelling reasons why incorporating rosemary tea into your daily routine can be a game changer for your overall well-being. Antioxidant powerhouse. Rosemary tea is rich in antioxidants, including rosmarinic acid and carnosol, which neutralize free radicals in the body. These powerful compounds help protect your cells from oxidative stress, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting a resilient immune system. Enhanced cognitive function. Research suggests that the aroma of rosemary can have a positive impact on memory and cognitive function. Regular consumption of rosemary tea, containing compounds like cineole, may give your brain a natural boost, supporting mental clarity and focus. Gentle digestive aid. Known for its digestive benefits, rosemary tea can alleviate indigestion, reduce bloating, and soothe stomach cramps. Incorporating this herbal remedy into your routine can promote a healthy digestive system, ensuring that you enjoy your meals without discomfort. Stress reduction. In our fast-paced lives, stress is a constant companion. Rosemary tea, with its anti-anxiety properties from compounds like rosmarinic acid and cineole, can act as a calming elixir, helping you unwind and manage stress more effectively. But before we dive in, let me know in the comments below what topics you'd like me to cover in future videos. Your feedback is crucial in shaping the content on this channel, and I want to make sure I'm creating videos that you genuinely enjoy and find helpful. Anti-inflammatory benefits. Chronic inflammation is a precursor to various health issues. Rosemary's anti-inflammatory properties make it a valuable addition to your daily routine, potentially reducing the risk of conditions such as arthritis and heart disease. Immune system support. Boosting your immune system is crucial for overall health. Rosemary tea, with its antibacterial and antiviral properties, can provide your immune system with the support it needs to ward off common illnesses. Respiratory health. For those dealing with respiratory issues, rosemary tea can be a natural remedy. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties may offer relief from allergies, asthma, and respiratory infections. Improved blood circulation. Good blood circulation is vital for delivering oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. Regular consumption of rosemary tea may contribute to improved blood flow, supporting heart health and overall vitality. Beauty benefits. Beyond internal health, rosemary tea can contribute to external beauty. Packed with nutrients and antioxidants, this herbal infusion may promote healthier skin and hair, offering a holistic approach to beauty. Simple and delightful ritual. Last but not least, incorporating rosemary tea into your daily routine provides a simple and delightful ritual. The act of preparing and savoring a cup of this aromatic infusion can be a mindful practice, promoting relaxation and well-being. And there you have it, 10 compelling reasons to make rosemary tea a part of your daily routine. From boosting your brain power to supporting your immune system, this humble herb has truly impressive healing properties. Incorporating rosemary tea into your daily routine is more than a culinary choice. It's a commitment to your overall health and well-being. With its impressive healing properties, this herbal remedy offers a delightful way to support your body and mind. So, why not embrace the power of rosemary tea and make it a daily ritual for a healthier, happier you? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things health and wellness. Until next time, happy sipping and stay healthy.